Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Daily Update. I'm going to show you what I believe about Bitcoin and the crypto for this day and for the next days. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. We are accepting crypto payments as well, so do not forget to join us. Let's go right now and see what Bitcoin chart is going to do and eventually what BTC is going to do. After having a nice pump in the daily frame yesterday, you can see that we had a nice plus 4% forming a bullish engulfing candlestick. This pattern is that the green candlestick is bigger than the next to the red one after a downtrend, and this indicates a change to the trend. Although I have something bearish to tell you, but anyway, let's proceed into some important targets. I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement from the top 24 August to the bottom on 28, and what we wanted to see right now is some important resistance levels. First of all, I think that Bitcoin can literally pump a little bit more. I think it is not over yet. We can even go to the 20.7 to 20.8k. Around this area here, we are going probably to have our major correction coming in. And why I'm saying that, I'm going to explain right now. Let's go back to the weekly frame to see some very important things. First of all, for the weekly frame and for BTC against USDT chart, we have not gone yet into the most important support level. I think that it is there, which is the 19.2 to 19k. So I'm going to put a price label on here so you can see that right there, the level, the 0.786, the most important support level. Right now, we are forming probably an institutional gap. What it means, it is that we are bullish at the start of the week, which is today, yesterday, and maybe even Wednesday. And what are we going to do? It is simply to form a huge institutional gap, probably pushing the price to go further down. Okay, so this is the thing that I am actually believing right now. It is that we are forming a nice bullish weekly at the start, and then the next days are going to be bearish. In the 4-hour frame though, we can even manage to go a little bit higher, going to the maybe 20.7k, 20.8 and so on. Okay, we can even manage to go to the 20.8 to 20.7k, around there, around this area. Even the 21k is possible. However, I'm going to redraw the Fibonacci retracement that we had from this top right here to this bottom to see that right now the 20.7k is one of the most important resistance levels, along with the 20.8. Around there, we should probably have our first correction. Okay, so yeah, BTC can manage to literally go a little bit higher. At the end of the day though, I'm thinking that BTC is going to have a correction going on. Maybe today will be a nice day as well, but apart from that, after some days, I think we are going to fall down and we are going to go even lower towards the targets of 20k and even further down. In the weekly scale, I'm not convinced yet that we are bullish for sure, but at the end of the day, I'm not convinced as well that BTC is likely to go down from the 15k, for example, into the 11k that most people think. I personally think that BTC will be going and having a long lower shadow towards the 16.2k. If we go down there, then we might be having this as a bear trap. This will be our bear trap level between 15.8 and 16.2k. Then we are going to go even higher, and this is what I believe to be a sideways position for BTC, right? I think that this is a nice sideways position for BTC. And what I feel like it is that we are going to go a little bit higher right now. At the end of the day, we are going down at the end of the week actually. But at the end of the day, this is what I wanted to say, that 19k and 19.2k are very likely to hold, right? And we could eventually manage to go further higher. Anyway, for BTC right now, today is going to be a neutral semi-bullish day. I feel like we are going to pump not so much, so do not expect like a 7% pump or so. I think that we are going to go pump a little bit sideways, okay, until for sure the 20.8k, in which there we are going to find a major correction or a little bit higher. It is possible that we go a little bit higher, especially if Wednesday is bullish as well. We are going to see that tomorrow, though we have a little bit of a higher risk with the commodity channel index in the 4-hour frame, but at the same time the RSI is not having the same risk. If you can see that in your screens, the RSI is looking good. Commodity channel index and the stochastic RSI and some other risk metrics are in an overbought situation already, and this is why I'm not convinced yet for the pump of BTC. Although I really think that BTC is going to have a little bit more, I'm not convinced that it is going to have a crazy pump. As of Ethereum, I might make another video. If you want me to, write in the comment section, hit the like button, it helps so much with the algorithm, and do not forget to join our monthly subscription accepting crypto payments. Send me a personal message via the Telegram. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you, see you soon, bye.